If you're tired of cleaning, some furniture and decor pieces can be a nightmare to maintain. Here are the trickiest ones to avoid if you want to keep cleaning to a minimum. 1. Intricately carved furniture. Detailed woodwork, like Victorian-style chairs or ornate headboards, collects dust in every crevice. Solution: opt for smooth, minimalist designs instead. 2. Glass-top tables and shelves. Show every fingerprint, smudge, and dust particle. Solution: choose matte or textured surfaces that hide marks better. 3. Open shelving dust, grease in kitchens, and clutter accumulate quickly. Solution: use cabinets with doors or glass fronts to reduce exposure. 4. White or light-colored upholstery. Stains show up instantly, especially with pets or kids. Solution: go for darker shades or performance fabrics that resist stains. 5th, delicate chandeliers and light fixtures. Dusting crystal or multi-piece fixtures is tedious. Solution: pick simple, easy-to-wipe designs or enclosed lighting. 6. High-pile shag rugs. Trap dirt, crumbs, and pet hair deep in the fibers. Solution: low-pile or flat-weave rugs are easier to vacuum. 7. Wicker or rattan furniture. Dust and crumbs get stuck in the weave, requiring deep cleaning. Solution: choose solid wood or metal with smooth surfaces. 8. Textured wallpaper, especially rough finishes. Dust clings to raised patterns, making walls harder to wipe down. Solution: opt for smooth washable paint or simple paneling. 9. Velvet furniture attracts lint and dust. While luxurious, velvet shows every speck of dust and lint. Solution: microfiber or leather is easier to maintain. 10. Excessive decorative knickknacks. Small decor pieces collect dust and require frequent dusting. Solution: keep surfaces clear or choose a few larger statement pieces. If you're looking for even more inspiration, join us on The Princess Home at theprincesshome.com. Thanks for watching.